Hello and welcome to the Floris Saturday concert series. I am Natasha and I am here with Mike Dickerson, and we make up the group Sparrow, but it's also part of the larger group Full Circle Band. We have a wonderful time usually getting to sing on Sunday mornings, but as you know, we're in unusual times, so that's not the case. But we'd love for you to check in on Sunday mornings at 9:15 on our live stream and see Megan, who is our wonderful worship leader and who was gracious enough to give us this opportunity to come and perform some uplifting music for you. So we're going to start with a wonderful piece you most know as Called Me Higher, and if you know it, please sing along. I could just sit and wait for your goodness, hope to feel your presence. I could just stay right in your arms and where I feel hope and hope to feel something again. I could hold on to who I am and never let you change me from the inside. I could be safe here in your arms and never leave home, never let these walls down. But you have called me higher, you have called me deeper, so I'll go where you will lead me, Lord. You have called me higher, and you have called me deeper, so I'll go where you will lead me, Lord. You lead me. You lead me, Lord. I could hold on to who I am and never let you change me from the inside. I could be safe here in your arms and never leave home and never let these walls down. But you have called me higher, you have called me deeper, so I'll go where you will lead me, Lord. Yes, you have called me higher, and you have called me deeper, so I'll go where you will lead me, Lord. You lead me. You lead me, Lord. You lead me. Well, I hope we all feel called higher at this time. With so much going on, we are so grateful for those who show up every day, whether it be to a job considered essential but not essential before, or a job that just does something for the greater good, even if it's volunteering at home and with our kids and our families. I was blessed enough to know Mike long before we became Sparrow, but he helped me really formulate this song into something more. And this is an original song of ours called Jesus Lead Me. Jesus lead me, make me humble, take me back, scarred and broken and your own. Jesus lead me, start my life afresh, because I have finally learned that you know best. You take me in despite my worst desire. You give me heaven when I deserve the fire. You and only you can make me whole. You never leave, so Jesus lead me. I'm lost without you. Jesus lead me, make me trust in you, show me tears and fears and pain I cannot know. Jesus lead me, and break my bones for you, build me up again in love I cannot show. You take me in despite my worst desire. You give me heaven when I deserve the fire. Well, you and only you can make me whole. You never leave, so Jesus lead me. I'm lost without you. Jesus lead me, make me follow, take me through the rocks and stones that I deserve. Jesus lead me, make my heart anew, teach me pain and grief and loss till you shine through. You take me in despite my worst desire. You show me heaven when I deserve the fire. Well, you and only you can make me whole. You never leave, so Jesus lead me. Oh, you and only you can make me whole. You never leave, so Jesus lead me. I'm lost without you. I'm lost without you. Sometimes we feel totally alone, but we're not alone. And we're lucky enough that even if we all don't come from the same faith place, we are blessed to be in a community of people. And our community shares our love in many different ways. And that can be in Christian music or contemporary music. But what I know about music is it's worship. And all worship is here to service the Lord. So we want to share a song that's actually by Adele, who's made her own grand transformation. And we're hoping that you can transform your hearts and hear in the song all the love and all the space that is there in God to be your remedy. I remember all of the things that I thought I wanted to be. So desperate to find a way out of my world and finally breathe. Right before my eyes I saw that my heart, it can't to life. This ain't easy, it's not meant to be. Every story has its scars, but when the pain cuts you deep, when the night keeps you from sleeping, just look and you will see that I will be your remedy. When the world seems so cruel and your heart makes you feel like a fool, I promise you will see that I will be your remedy. No river is too wide or too deep for me to swim to you. Come whatever, I'll be the shelter that won't let the rain come through. Your love, it is my truth, and I will always love you. Love you. When the pain cuts you deep, when the night keeps you from sleeping, just look and you will see that I will be your remedy. And when the world seems so cruel and your heart makes you feel like a fool, I promise you will see that I will be your remedy. When the pain cuts you deep, when the night keeps you from sleeping, just look and you will see that I will be. The world seems so cruel, and your heart makes you feel like a fool. Just look and you will see that I will be your remedy. I remember all of the things that I thought I wanted to be. Well, we really want to thank you for joining us this Saturday and joining us in sharing music. This is something that we love to do. I'll be honest, I feel born to do. And as I said, performing with Mike is something that I have really missed. I've really missed you, Mike. I have missed Floris. I have missed being able to share my gift and my passion and the glory of God in this church. So, and I hope that you all will remember to join Full Circle Sunday mornings at 9:15 on our live stream until we are all together in this house of worship again. For those who don't have a place to worship, you are welcome to join us. There's no better way to close than with a Bebo Norman song, Nothing Without You. Take these hands and lift them up, for I have not the strength to praise you near enough, for I have nothing without you. Take my voice and pour it out, that it sings songs of the mercy I have found. For I have nothing, no, I have nothing without you. Take my body and build it up. May it be broken as an offering of love. For I have nothing, no, I have nothing without you. Take our time here on this earth and let it glorify all that you are worth. We have nothing, no, we have nothing without you. And all my soul needs is all your love above me, so all the world will see that I have nothing, that I love you. Oh, my heart, with all my soul, with all my mind, all the strength that I can find. 'Cause all my soul needs is all your love to cover me, so all the world will see that I have nothing. Yes, all